So Kajabi or Mighty Networks? What's the difference between these two online platforms and which one would be better for you and your online business? If you're asking yourself this question, you're in the right place because I'm going to review both of these platforms together today, the pros and cons of each, and hopefully you'll walk away today with an informed decision on which one is right for you and your online business. So full disclosure, I am a Kajabi partner. I use Kajabi. I have been using Kajabi for a number of years, and there's a reason for that. And I will justify why Kajabi is right for me by the end of this video, but it doesn't necessarily mean that Kajabi is right for you. You might have totally different requirements for your online business than what I have. So watch all the way to the end and you should walk away with that decision today. So in order to review these two platforms, I'm going to dive straight on over into my desktop. So here we are, Mighty Networks, or known as Mighty. You can either just Google Mighty Networks or just go to mightynetworks.com. And you can see right off the bat here, they are positioning their mobile app. So they have a branded app. It has been out for a while. So they are positioning this mobile app as one of the key features. And again, you can actually tell that community forms the cornerstone of what Mighty Networks is all about. So I have done quite a few of these reviews on different platforms, and community keeps coming up as the focal point for some of these platforms. So if you are all about community, then this actually might be the right platform for you. Mighty Networks focuses on community and growing that online space. Again, they're talking about how many entrepreneurs and creators use Mighty Networks, but let's go ahead to the price plan. Now, I do like the way Mighty Networks actually presents itself. It's got a really good look and feel to it. You can actually toggle on build yearly or build monthly. I'm going to compare the build monthly. So if you want to start with courses, so you get a community, but if you want the courses pack, you have to start with $119 a month, the business $219, and then the Path to Pro $360. But really look down at the detail of what this actually gives you, because Kajabi has a similar 3-tier setup. But what I really do like about Mighty is they give you just the community starter pack for $49 a month. Now Kajabi, sometimes they do their Kickstarter pack at $69 a month, but it's typically a little bit higher than Mighty Networks. So actually drill down into each payment plan to see what's right for you, because you will obviously have a requirement and it might be a good fit for you, but I'm not sure, it might not be. But what I do, again, another thing what I like about Mighty is they have a pro version. So you can actually request a call. You can actually get a service provider from the Mighty Network team to actually help you implement the work for you. Now, Kajabi doesn't offer that, but it does offer something slightly similar. Again, like all of these platform comparisons, I resort to Trustpilot to see how trustworthy or how good this independent review body is. Any reviews will actually come back and get published on here. It only has 125 reviews, so not that many, but it's still on a 4.1, so it's actually valued as a great Mighty Network review. Now I'm going to move on to Kajabi, and Kajabi pride itself on having all the tools under one roof. So everything from landing pages to checkout to email marketing to courses, memberships, communities. So it's not just focused in on the community, and I'm going to compare both communities in a second, but it all depends what you're wanting. If you're wanting to blog, if you're wanting to run a podcast, Kajabi might be a better fit for you. And again, I would go to the price plans and then I would have a look at monthly and then drill down on what you see. So here, they don't have a Kickstarter available. It all depends what or when you're actually investing into this platform, but they take 0% transaction fees. They give you limited products and funnels. So 3 products if you're doing the starter pack, again, which is a little bit more expensive, but you can choose to use these products as you see fit. So if you didn't want to start with a community, you could use 3 courses or 1 podcast or 1 coaching and 1 course. So it's entirely up to you what your requirements are at the time of starting your business or trying to grow your business. And then both plans actually have some tiered pricing structure, so you can actually grow with that pricing plan as your business grows. And then Kajabi actually have a place or a marketplace called Kajabi Experts, where you can actually hire people. You can go into an expert directory, have a look at who you want to hire, and then you can actually contact these individuals to help you implement, rather than going to Mighty Networks Pro version and paying Mighty Networks to do it. These are just vetted Kajabi experts. And again, I have a look at the Kajabi Trustpilot review. It has actually had 1,826 reviews, so this is a really good review number from Trustpilot, and it's rated as a 4.4, which is excellent. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to jump straight on over into a Mighty Networks account. I don't use Mighty Networks. I use Kajabi, but I've just gone into their account to have a look how they lay everything out. So it's pretty much all focused around the community. So this is where you start. You start with a community, then you can bolt on courses and coaching. So this reminds me of what Kajabi Communities looks like, but it's got far more functionality than a simple Kajabi community, where it has spaces, collections, you can add members, add events, you can add different feeds in here. It actually works really well, and it seems to work really well with their community function. Now, both Kajabi and Mighty Networks both have a branded app, but I understand that Mighty Networks branded app has been out for a little bit longer than Kajabi. Kajabi has only just come out of beta. So Kajabi, for me, are playing catch up with that branded app function, but they are both now in play. Heading on over into Kajabi. Now, Kajabi has a lot more. You will see you can actually have the whichever products you want. So you can start with a course or a coaching product or a community or even a podcast. You can create offers to link up to those products. You can actually build out your entire website with landing pages, blog posts. It has that branded app. You can use it for email campaigns, and it has all of your contacts in a CRM. And then you can have something called a Creator Studio, which helps repurpose all of your content across social. So if you are thinking about starting an online business and doing your own marketing, like blogging, putting on a YouTube channel, starting a podcast, Kajabi might be for you. But if you're just starting to get your community up and running and you wanted to start with that $49 plan, well, Mighty Networks might be the one for you. So I'm just going to dive into my custom page, and I'm just going to show you how I edit everything within my Kajabi account. So here, if you're using any of the website pages, you've got your homepage, library page, blog posts, login pages, about and contact. And all you need to do is click into each element and you can edit down the side. You can then actually go back out and you've got settings, so you can have a style guide. You can really, like, the functionality in here with the page builder and the website builder is really great. You can have different fonts, different sizes, different headers, different colors. You can really make a bespoke website platform with this Kajabi software. Now, the idea of this is to have a homepage and linking it to landing pages and linking it out to your products and services. So when you do your marketing, you can actually build your funnel piece by piece. But it seems both Mighty and Kajabi know what they're doing because they are focusing in on their customers. Mighty actually call it people magic. Kajabi actually call their customers Kajabi heroes. So they are actually focusing in on the individual requirement and trying to build a platform exactly what people are asking for. So going back into my Kajabi account then, I'm just going to show you a little bit about the communities feature. So if I click on communities and then pop this out in another tab, again, I don't have a community, so this will just give you a little bit of an idea about how Kajabi uses communities. I really do think that the Mighty Network community function is probably more advanced than the Kajabi community function, so take that with a pinch of salt. But when you're navigating through here, you've got feeds, you've got challenges, you've got meetups. Meetups are live video meetup rooms. Challenges are trying to gamify the engagement of your community. And then feeds is just like a Facebook feed. You can either have chats or posts, whichever you like. And if you go into the cog icon, you can actually bespoke or edit your main community function. But communities are getting better and better. Kajabi have acquired Vibely to actually bolt on to their communities, and they're improving community features all the time. So watch this space to see the improved functionalities of Kajabi communities. But if I was to weigh up these two platforms just on community alone, I would probably go with Mighty. So there we have it, a quick comparison of Mighty Networks versus Kajabi, whereas Kajabi has 4 main products: podcasts, courses, memberships, and community, whereas Mighty focuses in on community first, but then you can upgrade to courses and coaching. So it all depends where you are in your business journey and what functionalities you are needing. If you are focusing on community, then Mighty Networks might be the better fit for you. But if you're focusing on overall business and using your products where you see fit, then Kajabi might be the one for you. But like I mentioned at the start, I am a Kajabi user. I'm a Kajabi partner. And if you would like to take Kajabi for a free 30-day spin, I can get you that free 30-day trial. It's over double the 14 days available to the public. Just head to timpeakman.com/Kajabi to use my affiliate link. And yes, it is an affiliate link. All that means if you continue to be a paying customer of Kajabi, a paying member like me, part of your payment will come back to me in support of this channel at no extra cost to you. But if you do use my link to sign up right away, I'm going to say thank you by granting you access to a free course that I've produced, Kajabi Unboxed. This is what I would do first, second, and third if I was to unbox my Kajabi account today. And if you continue to be a paying member of Kajabi, I'm going to say thank you again by granting you another course, my sales page templates, where you can simply download the themes of this product and upload them into your Kajabi account. So you can actually start with my sales page templates as a starter for 10. So like I said at the start, hopefully you've got more information and you can walk away to make that informed decision which one of these two platforms is right for you. And look forward to seeing you again on another video soon.